Welcome to this quick tutorial on using the chart block in aBlocks for WordPress. The chart block allows you to visually display data using customizable bar, line, or pie charts directly in the WordPress editor. To get started, open the section of your website where you want to display a chart. Search for chart block and insert it into your page. Let's begin customizing your data visualization. At the top, you'll see two tabs, Content and Style. We're currently on the Content tab. Here, you can view and manage your datasets. Each entry includes a label and the corresponding month. Next to each dataset, there's a trash icon to delete any unnecessary data. At the bottom, you'll find the plus Add New Dataset button to create additional entries. Now, let's configure the dataset values for your chart block. Scroll down to the Dataset Value panel. Under the Content tab, you'll see two sections, Label and Values. In the Label field, enter the name for your data group, for example, Sales. This label will appear in the chart legend to help viewers understand what the dataset represents. Below that, enter individual values for each month. These values will be plotted on your chart based on the chart type you selected. At the bottom, you'll find two buttons. Asterisk Duplicate, clone this entire dataset for quick edits. Asterisk Remove, delete the dataset entirely. Once your data is entered, continue customizing or save to see it live on your site. Now, let's move to the Style tab to customize the chart's appearance. Here, you can adjust the background color of the data points, which changes the fill color for each point or bar. Next, you can set the border color to control the outline color around those data points. Below that is the border width slider. Adjust it to increase or decrease the thickness of the border. The Point Style dropdown lets you choose how data points appear. Options include shapes like circles, stars, triangles, and more. In this example, we've chosen the star shape for a unique look. Next, adjust the point size to define how large each data point appears. You can also customize the point hover size, which determines how large a point becomes when hovered over. Let's move on to customizing Dataset Value 2 to compare multiple data sets on your chart. In the Label field, update the text to reflect what this dataset represents, for example, buys to track customer purchases. Below that, enter the monthly values for this dataset. These values will now be visually represented alongside Dataset 1, providing a comparative view on your chart. You can also duplicate or remove this dataset if needed. Next, style Dataset Value 2 in the Style tab to distinguish it visually from Dataset 1. Switch to the Chart Settings panel. First, select your chart type. Then, customize your chart's labels. You can enable or disable the title, subtitle, X-axis title, and Y-axis title. Once you're happy with your customizations, from labels and values to style settings, don't forget to click Save to apply the changes. Your fully customized chart is now live on your site, allowing you to present data in an engaging and clear way. That wraps up this tutorial. If you found it helpful, like, comment, and subscribe for more WordPress and aBlocks tips. Drop a comment below if you have questions or suggestions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.